Friends, so let's start our session, training and placement set. From the training and placement set, we have to start the first session.
Okay, sir.
It's a very important session. So let us discuss. Let us have a discussion on this session. It's very important. First session, we have to understand your goals. How to understand. So that way, just, let me introduce myself, and then I'll have to objectives. Then I can give you time for discussion. So after the discussion, we'll have we'll have a plan for whatever the plan we have for you. Then I can discuss with you again. So far, the 10 years placement, 2015 to 21. So for 7 batches passed out from our college successfully. So we can discuss what are the companies, who are all our Sambuga recruiters. So those things we can discuss, right? As well, at last, we can have again some more sharing session. Then we can wind up. So that is the plan of this session. Shall we start?
Start,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So myself, Professor Muttaya, placement officer. Professor Muttaya, come placement officer. Working in computer science department also. I'm taking also for the computer science department. Also, I'm looking after placements. So placement is main important role we are playing here. And in this institution, I'm for 9 years since starting of the college. 2011 started, 2012. Since 2012, I have been working in this college. It's a great opportunity because working with having the good vision of having good vision this college. That's why I'm very happy to work with the college because you can see the placement record and whatever the effort taken by the management. It was totally it was good. So and this is my introduction. So myself, Muttaya. Can you remember my name? So myself Muttaya. I'm a placement officer of this college. So next, what we can do, let us have a discussion. So let us have a discussion. Next part, share your goals. So you have goals because you already decided to study engineering. So when you join engineering, you have so many thoughts in your mind. You have already so many goals. Your parents told something, and so your friends told something, and you have in mind. And you have to tell us, and you have to discuss with me what is your aim. You can understand what I am talking about here. What is your goals? You can freely discuss with me. It's not don't think that it is something get here and talk. You can freely discuss with me. What is your goals? What is your thought in your minds? What you want to do? What you want to do in engineering? Can you can you discuss with me? Not a problem. You can talk in English. You can talk in Tamil, and even in your language also you can speak. Can you share with me? What is your goal?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, I want to become a coding.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes, you can tell me. You want to become?
Sir. Sir, in coding, I got my achievement, sir. I want to achieve in coding.
Very good. You want to achieve your coding side. Any other? Anybody else?
You.
You can really speak with me because see, next 4 years, whatever you want to do, it depends on your goals only. So whatever you have in your minds, whatever in your thoughts, so that you have to share with me so that we can plan. So that is what you have to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
So you should not somebody sharing the screen. You should not share your screen. You have to leave my screen. Yes. Someone is sharing your screen. Stop sharing. You can stop your. So I can restrict from here itself. Yeah. Yes. Share your goals. One student is very good. What is your name? What's your good name? So you want to become a good coder. So coding skill you want to improve. So that is his aim. What about others? You can discuss with me freely. Based on your inputs, so we'll have to plan whatever your inputs and whatever functionalities we have inside our college. So it's all we have to decide for you we have to plan. So you just speak up, right? What is your opinion and what is your goal setting? What you want to do? So I want to become a hacker. Okay, demand by okay. Next, you can also type a message. It's no problem.
I want to become a biomedical engineer.
Very good. Biomedical engineering. Okay. We'll discuss later the biomedical engineering scope.
Sir, I want to become an app developer.
App developer. Very good. iOS or Android OS? So anything okay.
Agriculture engineering.
Become a mechanical engineer. Very good. Okay. Okay. Any other? Yeah, you can speak. No problem.
Sir, I want to become a mechanical engineering.
Very good. Very good. You want to become a mechanical engineering? Okay.
Sir, I want to become an electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering. Your plan belongs to which branch? Your plans to EC department. Palanchami told I want to become a software engineer. Very good. So you just now itself you have to decide what is your aim. After 4 years, what?
Sir, I want to become a mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineer. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I want to become a game developer.
Game developer. Very good. Very good.
Sir, I want to become a software engineering.
Software engineer. Very good. See, what you want to understand now, you are going to study 4 years of engineering, either computer science or in EC department or in mechanical. or in agriculture engineering or in biomedical engineering, BTech IT and A&D. So these are the departments. We are going to study these 4 years of engineering. After studying this engineering, what is your where you want to settle down? What is your career? What is your goal? That you decided already. You want to study engineering, so you join engineering. What is your target after finishing the engineering? What do you want to do? So that is my question. So there are some.
I want to get a government job.
Yeah, very good, very good. Next.
Sir, I
I want
want
a
to place it
biomedical
in a
scientist.
product-based company.
Yes, again. Come again.
Sir, I want to place it in a product-based company.
Product-based company. Very good, very good. See, now itself you know that which is product-based company, which is service-based company. Now very good idea. Very good. Next.
Sir, I
Thank
want
you,
to
sir.
become biomedical research scientist.
Oh, biomedical scientist.
Sir, I
Very
want
good.
to start my own developing software company.
Oh, developers. You want to be a software developer. Very good. Next. I want to become a web developer. Very good. Web technology. So concentrating on the web technologies. There are a lot of openings are there. UI UX. UI UX development side. There are a lot of openings are there. Next. Yeah, you can discuss another 10 minutes. We have like this discussion only. Based on your discussion, we can go further. Very good. There are a lot of challenges are coming. I want to become a software engineer. I want to become a software engineer. Okay, very good. I want to become IPS officer. Very good. Okay. Very good. Good. Yes. Does someone want to speak with me? Yeah, tell me. Agriculture researcher. Very good. Very good. AI engineering. Very good. Artificial intelligence. Super. Next. I want to become a software developer. Very good. So mainly the software development side, biomedical engineering, AI research, and agriculture researcher, IPS. These are the major part. You discussed. You share. You discuss in this forum. Yes. Any other? Okay. So I'm very happy to see so many responses. Very good. You are all very good. You are all giving very good responses, and then immediately you understand what is the expectation. What I'm asking, everything you got to understand clearly. So in my opinion, you are all very good. In the why you decided engineer, I can understand. So now the next part we can discuss what are the options are available in engineering. So now you share your goals, right? There are many people are sharing your goals. Maybe it's same. For example, somebody told I want to be a AI research, a AI engineering. The same goal maybe somebody is having because out of 400 students, maximum students are having the same goals. Okay, right? So let us discuss now. So what are the engineering options? What are the career options are available after engineering? So that I will speak now. Okay. So I got understand your goals. What is your next? What you want to become after 4 years of engineering? That you discuss with me. It's a very good. I'm very happy to see all your responses because we can also plan because we are all working together to get a success. So that is what our objectives. And before going to the career options, I want to tell you the objective of placement department. Objective of placement department. That is very important. You have to understand What is placement and training sales? You have to understand. Because you are new to the institution, you are new to the field. It's engineering field. You are new to the engineering field. I have to explain you. I have to explain you what is this placement and training sale. What actually people are doing here. So that you have to understand. So that part I want to explain you another 5 minutes. After that, we will have to go for what are the career options are available. That we can discuss. Then we can go for what is our placement record that we can discuss, and then we have what is our training plan already we have that we can discuss. So that is the next what is your next 1 hour plan. So you can ask me whenever you have doubts. You can ask me in between. There is no problem for me. So first the objectives you can discuss. What is the objectives? The placements requirement. So actually what we are doing, will motivate the students to develop technical knowledge and soft skill in terms of career planning and goal setting. Right? See, this first one is career planning and goal setting. We are not straight away telling you to go to a software company, you go to mechanical engineering, not like this. We have to understand the abilities, the capabilities, and the student ability. We need to understand what is their choice, what is their interest. That we have to understand. That is what the career planning and goal setting, like a kind of program. So that is our first objective, to motivate our students to develop technical knowledge and soft skill. So initially, this is what the plan. So the placement meaning is, placement means what? Placing into the companies or placing into the right career options. The career, whatever the career option you have, in that only we are going for placements. So placement not only for private companies, not only for the public sectors, not like this. Placement according to the student interest, according to the student desire. I want to, we will support, our organization will support to achieve your goals. That is what the aim of this placement and training session. Our whole organization, in entire organization, which is the major part, major contribution, which department, that is placement and training session only. Because from your first year inaugural session itself, you understand there are great people. So there are already experienced people are sharing with you, right, the human values, and then what you want to be after 4 years. Everything they already important. So already they told you all the things, right? So that is the first aim. That is what we have to understand. And second thing, according to your wish, so to motivate our students, ask for higher studies. So first thing is the career planning, goal setting. That is my first objective. And second objective is higher studies. To motivate students to for higher studies, guiding them to take competitive exams. GATE exam is there, CAT exam is there, TOEFL is there, GRE is there, IE is there, UPSC is there, EMPSC is there. Like this, there are a lot of competitive exams is there, and we can also encourage the students for higher study also. Right? Another important part, which everybody is doing this one, aiming to place maximum number of students through campus and off-campus interviews conducted by top companies. So that is a major goal of the placement section. So placement and training session. And another part, fourth objective is providing the resources, activities to facilitate the career planning process. So these are the functionality and objectives of the placement and training session. So again, I am just repeating what we are doing here. So our aim is to imparting the technical knowledge and soft skill in terms of career planning and goal setting. And second thing is motivate the students for higher studies, also guiding them to take competitive exams, right? And then aiming to place maximum number of students through campus and off-campus interviews. So these are the objectives. Also, we are providing the resources, activities to facilitate the career planning process. So these are the functionality of placement section and placement and training section. I hope you understood what I am talking here. So for your understanding, I am simplifying this. I am very well simplifying this. So according to your goals, because so many are talking about your goals. You want to be a coding. I want to be a very good coder, very good hacker, and somebody told I want to be a researcher. So for everything, there is a fundamental knowledge is required. There is a base we need to create. So that is about how we can do. That is why it is training and placement. So we start with training. So whatever your choice, whatever your desire, accordingly we can go with the training. Through the training, we can create a fundamental knowledge, and we can create you, and we can mold you accordingly. Then we will try with the opportunity. We'll show opportunity what is available in the outside world. We can show you so that you can simply get into that. So that is what aim of this placement and training and placement set, right? So what we can understand, training and placement. We'll provide adequate training and we'll get you good companies. So that is what the placement and training system, right? So got to understand what training and placement is playing the major role here, because see, academy is another part and your career, the career is second part, another part. So you have to consider both 50 percentage. As per I'm in the field for more than 15 years in the teaching field. So because I'm working in the computer science department, when I teach anything concepts to the students, I'll ask them to get the knowledge from the topic. Because 5 minutes you are studying, you are getting a marks. Okay, not a problem. But when you're going to the industry, what is the knowledge you are taking from your subject? This knowledge is very important. You also fix a aim like this. You study subject, get the marks. Okay, that is for entry into the companies. But knowledge is very important to survey in the company. You understand what I'm telling? Knowledge is most important to survey in the company. What you are studying, you do not simply, sir, I'm coming to attend the class. I'm attending the class daily, 1 hour class, whatever teacher is telling, I'm listening, sir. I'm a very good student. No. What is the knowledge you got? Everybody will teach something, 1.5 hours they will teach. But there is no use. What is the knowledge you got from that subject? That is why you student knowledge. Focus on student knowledge. Student, when you have a knowledge, when you have a skill set according to his design, then only is like according to our executive sir told, next 40 years how we are going to survey the world. Surveying the world is not easy. There are so many obstacles. The human being is so much of obstacles to the people. That is what happening in the world. So accordingly, if you want to survey in the world, you should have proper knowledge. Through your knowledge and skill only, you can manage this world. So that is why we are planning to give a proper training to the students, and whatever is required to survey in the world, that we will do mainly. That is why our college, during the inauguration, everybody is talking about attitude. Attitude is a matter. Attitude is a matter. If you have a very good attitude, that attitude will get you good jobs. Will get you good success in your life. So that is what you have to keep in mind. Understand? So that is because we have a continuously session like this, because our alumni are there last 7 years, 7 batches are went out, so they are very good support giving always. So we will connect with you, our alumni also. The department wise, we can connect with your alumni. They will give you more guidance to you also. So no problem, don't worry. You will definitely reach your goal. Will support you. Right? This is what the objectives of placement and training session. I hope you got an idea what is training and placement. At least you can keep over training for your training to achieve your goals, and placing into your right companies, right sectors. So that is what the training and placement session. And next part, best career option after engineering. Next career option in engineering. Look at these points, what I written here. There are 11 choices are given. Not only these choices, there are a lot of choices are there according to your wish. So the major part only I'm presenting here. So higher studies, public service undertaking, management related jobs, entrepreneurship, campus placement, become an expert, civil services, look for internship, enter the private sector, get a certifications, join the Indian Armed Forces. See, this already you are familiar, because you are near to your house or nearby, some friends, some relatives are working one of the sectors here. But as per our engineering side, you have 4 options, right? You have 4 options. One is getting into the company, placement. Another one is higher studies. Another one is competitive exams. And 4th one is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a very important role here. Listen here, these 4 options are there. Again, I am repeating these 4 options. One is placement, higher study, competitive exam, and then entrepreneur. So these 4 options mainly focusing on engineering field. I'll give some instruction, some inputs on these 4 topics, right? This first one is placement. The placement according to your company, according to your department. For example, if you are CSE and BTech IT and ADS, right? You have set of companies, software companies are available. There are ITES. Somebody told me that. Very happy to listen. Some students told me that I want to become, I want to get into product-based companies. See, the first year itself, she got an idea. So where I have to place, right? So like this, we can place you in one of the companies according to your companies, according to your department. If you are EC department, you have two choices. One is you can place into software companies, or you can place into core companies like your EC sectors like embedded systems or PCP, or some of the Caliber Indirect and some of the companies are doing great with the PCP design and some of the products there. And driverless cars, the QMax company is working with the driverless auto. Sorry, there is a battery cars and battery. Even auto also running by battery also. So like there are a lot of products they are doing in the EC core. There are so many companies connected with us in the EC field, and there are next side also there are a lot of core companies are available. I will show you a class from 2015 to up to 2021 how many companies are. We are associated with the companies. What are the companies we will show you? Who are our main recruiters? That and all I will show you in the end of the session. I tell you, placement means we are placing you in a best companies. Whichever your department, for example, biomedical have a different openings, and then agriculture engineering they have a different opening in their core company. So accordingly, we can place the students in the particular their company sectors. Right? And second one is higher study. Some students have an idea, right? After BE, I want to study ME, I want to study MPA, I want to study, I want to do some other research work. So like this, whatever you want to do some specialization. After BE, I want to do some higher studies. I want to be very expert in a particular specialization, networking, cyber security, or machine learning. So something if you have a plan, so you can go for higher study. So for that also, we will support you. We have some of the training techniques also we have. Another point, entrepreneur. So the entrepreneur means what? So for your understanding, I will simplify this. What is entrepreneur? So entrepreneur meaning is, so if I wanted to start a company, so I have an idea, I have something innovative idea for the society. For example, in your village, there are a lot of problems, even manual problems are there. Something in the society, we can solve some problems in the society. Whatever the work done by manually. For example, you can take it, the ATM is a simple example. Even agriculture field also, there are irrigations, there are automations, IoT product also coming. Later session we can understand this and all. Another point you can see in the ATM machines, olden days and all, we mean 5 years ago, before 10 years before and all, we'll go to bank regularly for withdraw money. So now you see every state, every place we have ATM machines where we can go and take the money. So that is somebody's idea. Somebody's idea can keep some IoT machine like this. Or there are different innovations are available in the world. So like this, if you have different idea, you can start your own company, startup. That is startup. Your own company you can start. For that we can support. I can give you some example. In our college, in Sri Sanmuga College of Engineering Technology, we have 7 incubations. Company incubations. Incubation means what? We know company, TCS, Infosys, Ganini, Mindtree, and Ashok Leyland, right? There are many companies are available. Rivalius is there, and then Broadsoft, Birlasoft. There are a lot of companies, IBM, Dell. So there are a lot of companies are available. So these are the companies. There are MNCs are available. But what is company incubations? Incubation available inside our college. Means I am telling inside our college, the previous last year until we have operated more than 7 companies. More than 7 companies inside. What they have done here, the company people, we have provided space. We have provided space here. We have provided computers and then whatever requirements we provided. The company people arrived to our college and they work with our students. to enhance their knowledge. It's a knowledge sharing only, because company developers are coming to our college, or no, the college, and they are working with our students. How they are working? They will bring their projects here. The projects, whatever the projects, the models are there. Some models they can bring here, and they will work with the students. So this is the incubation. Usually, we'll keep the baby in the incubator. Like this, as being a students, engineering students, we'll keep them in the engineering college itself. We'll create this company exposure inside the college. That is why company incubations. That is called incubators. College itself, we can bring the company exposure inside. We'll bring the company export inside the college. They will work with our students. That is company incubations. Here you can see our alumni, Mr. Kishore Kumar. He started his own company, YouTube channel. Also, he is doing some of the projects also inside our college. He started his own company inside our college. What we done? We provided and the space and then computers, whatever required, we given. We just started with our own students, or second year, third year, and fourth year, who were having interest on this particular field. They joined with him, and they started to projects and started to run a company. So this is called entrepreneur. This is the kind of entrepreneur, and general government also supporting our Indian students to do like this startups. You can start if you have idea. Immediately you can start, and whole world is supporting this startup. If you have idea, you start a company and give out jobs to others. So that is what the Indian people, great people concepts. So the entrepreneur is a concept you can think about, and these are the 4 areas you are concentrating in engineering. I'm clear. I hope you got understand what I'm talking about. So there are 4 areas for you. One is placement. If you want to get into the companies, that is your first option is placement. Second option is higher study. If you want to study higher study, you can select the second option, higher study. If you want to write competitive exams like bank sector exams, like DNBC exams, whatever you want to write, you can start. You can select this competitive exams. And the fourth one, entrepreneur. So I have idea. In my family, we are running the business. The same business. I have a different idea. I want to start up like this. Okay, you can start. We'll support you. So like this. So all 4 options are available. Either one you can select. We'll also get you the options from the student side. Who are all in this option? Who are all in this categories? Like this, we can categorize. Accordingly, we can move with the training plan. So that is what our aim. That is what running functioning inside our college. So you got to understand. Apart from this, these are the areas are there. If you want to get into the export or civil services, right? There are a lot of things are available. You can get into, and we can have a separate session for this. What are the areas are available where you can, how you can specifically, company specific, specifically how we can prepare this, and then we have a separate session we can have later in future. So now these are the options are there. You just look at this one, right? So for any doubt, students? So whatever so far I discussed with you, right? So what we started with initially, introduction section, then goal setting, then objective of placement and training session, then what are the engineering options? What are the options are available? How we can getting into that options, so that we discussed. And next thing is the training and placements. What actually we are doing here. So that I am showing in the presentation itself. So these are the area where we are giving the training, communication skill, group discussion. Because students are, because last the first year inauguration itself we understood the HR person is interacting with the students. There are students coming with so many questions, but not everybody. So there are for more number of students inside the hall, but interaction is from 10 to 30 students only doing these interactions. But everybody should speak. So that is what the training. Objectives. Everybody should involve and everybody should showcase their skill set or whatever they have on application. So that is what we are trying to. Aptitude is very important one, even attending the competitive exam, even getting into the company placements also. This aptitude and technical questions are technical test also very important. For that also we have to do a training. It's a common training. Without this training, this training is required to get into the your career choice. So that is why these are the area we are concentrating. Communication skill, we have communication teachers are there. Yes. Okay. Voice is breaking now. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So next you can see. So this is what we are discussing. So these are the area we are concentrating on the training side. So you can understand while coming to the college what is the training we are doing here. So we can discuss. And another area what we can do. These are the product development. Just now I told you about we have incubation inside our college. So look at this. Whatever the pictures I shown you from this is taken from our college only. So look at this one where our students are working. They have developed kind of products like this. This is our product development. Smaro, navigation robo, Axitro drawing robo, NIC 40 3D printer, PCP milling machines, and Yardman logistic app, agri automations, CG prints. We have applied pattern also, CG prints. So like this, these are the products done by our students only with the support of company. So you can look at this one. These are the companies are inside our company college. So this was running before, because during this pandemic, we are not able to run. But previously it was running, all 7 companies were running and our students are inside that. You can look at the placement record, you can understand where we place our students because of this company incubations, whatever you created exposure that helped our students a lot to get into the companies. Even one small example I can tell you, one of our student is working in one of the US-based company. The company manager, the team leader told me that your students already worked in incubations. He got a very good knowledge. He is competing his leader, who is a team leader, who is having a very good knowledge. He is competing that team leader. So that much exposure he got in from through this incubations. That is the advantage in the incubation centers. We are also in the computer science team. We are also concentrating on this product development. Right? This is one of the best features in our college. You can get exposure inside our college like this. So this is about where you can showcase your entrepreneurial skills, what you want to do in your future. You can get some inputs from these incubation centers while working with company people, right? I hope you can make you understand what is entrepreneurship, right? This is our corporate relationship cell. We have an environment like this where you can. Yes, that's breaking. 1 minute. Yes. So corporate relationship cells. I hope my voice is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Dhanuj.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So corporate relationship cell. Corporate relationship cells. What we have facilities inside our college. We have like group discussion room is there, auditorium. That day itself we experienced what is the auditorium, where we can conduct pre-placement talk. Whenever company people are coming to our college, they will appreciate our infrastructure only. They'll first appreciate the very good infrastructure you have inside your college. So that is what the main plus we have. And then we have separate halls for group discussion, and then so these interview rooms are available. And we have computer labs are available where we can do the technical training and coding developments. So like all the facilities we have, only thing is you have to utilize it. You have to utilize it. It's very important. apart from your academic time, you have to spend additionally for your career development. That is most important, because I also came from engineering. Because when I was studied, when I studied in Maples Engineering College, there was a lot of opportunities. We can work after 4:30 up to 7 o'clock in the lab, to whatever you want to learn, you can learn it like this. Here, that environment is there. When you want to sit in a lab, you can sit and learn so many things. So whatever you choice you have, whatever goals you have, accordingly you can work. So that is the mindset is very important. It's not like this, sir. I can attend only the 1 hour class or 2 hour class. I'm not able to do other things and that. If you do like this, you are a loser. You are only a loser. If you want to do, that is only the attitude. You have to create your own the good attitude that I have to learn good things. I want to learn. I want to become a good. Yes. So that is what very important you have to understand. So this is what our facilities available inside, and then we have a tie-up with more than we have visited more than 250 companies, and also we have good rapport with more than 100 companies all over this Tamil Nadu. And outside of Tamil Nadu, we have tie-up with the Bangalore companies also, right? So we have visited more than our management team also visited from the beginning in 2015 to this year. We have visited more than companies. We can directly visit the company and we'll understand their requirements. According to the company requirements, we start give the training, and we can start mold our students and according to the company expectations, right? So now I want to show you who are all our recruiters. Who are all our recruiters? Just look at the another yeah. I think, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. The response is very important. The immediately, yes, sir, that is a response. That is what the courage you have inside. In you, everybody should have like this. You have to speak out. Right or wrong, it's not a problem, but you have to speak out. Look at here, the recruiters from 2015 to 2021, and each department we have more than 35. You can unmute. You can mute your mics. So you have this, more than 35 companies, department wise. We have campus recruitment. Off-campus recruitment is also available. We have a campus recruitment like this. IBTL interviews, lots of others. You can mute your mic. Lots of X0, Full Creative, and Career Technology, Kanini Software, Intart, Koe.co, Ava Software, Villa Software, Efitrack, KMIT, Amazon, Vinaya Infotech, Technosoft Corporations. So whatever are listed out here, our students are working. Our students are working. So this whatever company listed, all the companies are. You have to unmute. Venu. Yeah. So TCS, see this. Our students are working in CTS, TCS, Infosys, HCL, Capgemini, Mindtree, Altran, right? So we'll unmute some of them something.
டேய் கோகுல் என்ன பண்ற?
Yeah. So we removed some of them and we mute some of them. because no need to know unnecessary disturbance will affect the entire session. Okay, look at this one: TCS, CTS, Infosys, HCL, Capgemini, Mindtree, Altran, Robert Bose, NU Technology, ATS, Intel, OFS, ERP Tools, Zoho Corp. Recently our students placed in Zoho Corp, and is a big company. FacePrep also our students are working. See, list out any top companies where our students are there, our alumni are there, your seniors are available. Whenever you just approach them, whenever we approach them, so you can connect with our juniors immediately. They will come and give us supports. So far we recently in this semester we connected more than 5-6 programs, alumni series we conducted. This alumni is directly interacting with the juniors, how you have to prepare, how you have to serious about your studies. Some people are making fun. Okay, you can make fun, not a problem, but you should be serious on your career, what you want to become after engineer. That part you should be very clear. So that is why this our alumni will speak to you. The alumni will tell us, they will tell you also. So what we done, what's the mistake we done during the engineering that you should not do. So if you do like this, definitely you get a jobs, because you are in the age in the first year, second year, you will be like that. But when you're getting to the third year and fourth year, you will be thinking about your career serious. But that things and all, how you understand where you have to be very serious, where you have to be very fun. It is and all that is some your experience people, your previous, your alumni, when you tell this one, you can easily understand. So that is what you have to understand what I am telling here. So these are the companies, even core side in EC company, Avalan Technologies. EC they can place in software companies, the software company also they placed, and core company also our students are placed. Avalan Technologies, Apsara, QMax, right? NCR company is one of the ATM machine production company. The world who is producing the ATM machines, that's NCR. So that company also recruiting there, for the recruitment is coming to our college, and our students, some of the students are there playing, they are joined as a permanent role like government job. So their role is permanent in the sense they can work lifelong in their company itself until the retirement. So like this, there are companies already tie-up with us, already associated with us. According to the company only we are giving the training. And you can understand another point. We have a student, see, in your department, you can understand now, if you are joining the IT department, you have more than 50 to 60 students, maximum 50 students. And you can see when you are coming to the final year, you are only 50 is available from your department. But we have a company, more than 250 companies. So we can place you easily in the company. And when you have a training properly, when you have a knowledge, when you be trained properly in the college, then only you can get into the companies. So that is why, so you have to think about your career aspect properly. And we have a lot of companies in our college. That is a plus in our college. We have placed our students more than this, more than 85% in the companies. So that is a record. So far now 1,100 students passed out of 1,110 out of 980 students are placed in the companies. Remaining are went on higher study and the entrepreneur like this. 980 students, more than this, 7 batches are vended. So more than total students are 1,110. Out of 1,110, 980 students are placed in the company. So that is a statistics we have. So that is what also I'm telling you, you have to keep remember. So we have a lot of companies already associated with our college. Only thing is you have to serious about your career, whatever the goal you have in your the starting of your engineering. Accordingly, you have to work. One small example, one of the corporate people from the TCS, he insisted that when you advising your students, you just you tell them, if you want to become a software developers, first you associate with a software development company. You just approach the companies. Approach in the sense is not by like this, we are taking to the company and there you have to do. You can approach yourself. You can go to the software development company initially first year itself. And we can also provide you industrial visit and implant training intensive opportunity also. But you should have a thought like this, going to the what you want to become, that particular interest, the particular goal. Accordingly, you just go and visit the software company, what is going on, or you just meet your alumni or your friends or colleagues. Your family friends, you meet them and then understand what is going on, how you have to prefer engineering, they will tell you everything. So that is what you have to think. That is what the advice from the industry people also. So recruiters like this. So these are the companies, our regular recruiters, EC and CAC, mechanical, civil, agree the 50% of the students going for government sector. So we can have a government sector training also here. We are providing according to your interest. If you are interested, then we'll make you to join on the training also. Apart from the new departments like AADS and then IT and then biomedical, we have already tied up with some of the companies, right? So we can bring that opportunities what is available in the company to you also, because you are starting the first year. We have another 3 years there for you to bring major companies. So initially whatever the training we are planning, you can get into the training. It is most important. So this is about recruiters. And next thing is, what is the training plan we are having? So that is the part I am going to show you next. Yeah. What is the major area we are concentrating on the training part? So you can understand. So what we have to do, because initially, as being first year students, you have to understand. At least you should have idea. It's not like this. You have to exactly understand everything. At least you have to listen to us. What is going on in the college? How you have to prepare yourself. The mindset you have to make accordingly. That is why this India training and placement session we started today. We have to tell them what is we are doing, what we are doing, and what accordingly what you have to ready for that. So that is what plan of this session. So start here from the second year, from the placement training for the second semester. What actually we want to do for the students, that is know yourself. What is your goal? We have to support you to fix a goal properly. You have to identify your goal properly. So that is what know yourself, and building blocks like this, creative thinking, digital footprint, positive psychology. So like this, we'll try to do the we'll give a training. So with introduction to recruitment process is one of the sessions. I've given you some of the idea. What is the placement training and placement sale, and what industry expectation, market criteria, and problem solving. These are also given as a training. These are the plan. The trainers are also available. They will give you training also this side. So this will go in one semester. And the fourth semester onwards, we can go with the quantitative aptitude. So aptitude, we'll divide the topics like this. We'll also go with training. So this and all, it's coming with your academic schedule, because academic 8 hours class. Out of 8 hours class, in which one class will be aptitude, one class will be English class. So like this, the session will go. So don't worry, that and all will manage. And you have to be ready for training. That's all. So these are the training.
Sir, sound is not clear, sir.
Going on. Okay, good. Right?
Sir, now it's clear.
Thank you. So the placement. So we'll also next section we can discuss in depth about the training part. Now I'm just giving the overview on this training side. 6th semester, quantitative ability, reasoning ability. So same kind of your cognitive skills like this training will go. 7th and 8th semester, company specific training, full mock test and group discussion will be going. And then during the session, 4th semester, 8th semester, we'll be going with, if you want to place into the C in the software companies, C programming, C++ programming, data structure, DBMS, Java programming, operating system. So this kind of training also will go with your regular academic schedule. So this is a plan. Also, it is already we are doing like that only, because see, at the end of the 4th year, what they are going to ask you in the interview, what is OOPS concept? What is the difference between C and C++? It is already, you studied in 2nd year and 3rd year. You studied but like a subject only. But when you come to the interview, when they ask question, you will not be able to give an answer. So that is what the situation, the challenges available. But that's why the first year you are all very intelligent students, as our guests are told. You are in the generation is a very good knowledge you have, but you have to take it in a right way, right sense. So that is why you have to fix now what is required for your goal. Accordingly, you have to prepare. So these are the area when you study something, whether you got a knowledge from that particular subject or not, that is what you have to verify every stage. So when you study C programming, study properly, you be practically. So theory is not at all matter, but practically if you learn anything, that will be stand forever. So that is very important. So this is what the training side we will concentrate for the who are want to place in the software companies. And non-stream also, non-stream, for example, mechanical and then other department also having the opportunity to get into the software company. They can, if they are interested, if they have interest, then you can join in the software training. According to this, apart from this training, the core training will give department-wise core training like ECE, they can PCP, embedded training, and mechanical, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and then the like this training you can get. And then even agri department, you can also concentrate on the design area like SolidWorks you can learn. If you learn somebody asked me that, sir, I want to be R&D side, research side I want to work. Even agri research also, they expected agri students to be work in the research projects. For example, why these agri students are required on this? Because there is a lot of automations are expected in the agriculture field. There are a lot of manual works are still going on in our country, where we have a technology, but it's not implemented straight away in the agri field. Still, there are some obstacles are there. But agri students, you can find something new things for the agriculture field. So what we have to do, something you want to implement means you cannot directly implement. You have to go with some prototype modeling. You just design it. What is your real product that you can design it, modeling the simulation, do it simulation and understand what is the cost and what is the simple way to implement everything. You can understand through this design. That is why we are asking you to study design courses, SolidWorks, AutoCAD. Like this, when you study agri students, get something wondering in the agri research, you can find some implements. You look at the tractor nowadays, tractors having different implements is having. This and all invented by the human being only. So like this, you can also go with the R&D side also. Artificial intelligence. Nowadays, in the artificial intelligence, data science is a very good scope is there. Data scientist. So because we have a historical data, last decades data are available. From this data will be given. Data will be given to you. That data you have to analyze and find something new things. You take example of Hammam soap, still it's coming to the market. Horlicks is coming to the market. How it is still satisfying the customer? How it is possible? Because they studied whatever their customers so far they have from their customer, they studied what is the requirement, what is something new we can add it in the same product, how we can still live in the market. So there are a lot of things they are thinking because of the data available with us. So that is what the data scientists, artificial intelligence. You are all thinking about this driverless car. You see how driverless, without driver, how car is going forward, because it is recognizing that what is the object available in front of the car, in front of the what is the obstacles available. It's recognizing that how is the speed it has to go, what is the how it has to apply the brake. Everything is automated by the machine learning. So that is artificial intelligence, machine learning programming. So you know that artificial intelligence, see, there are RPA concept also there, right? Robotic process automations. See, it is every company you take, you will visit any other company, TCS or Infosys, one of the domain is their RPA. So the people are working for 10 years. What should be happen in the world? What is going to happen in after 10 years? That for that they are working. People are working now in the industry. So like this are going on in the industry. You have to think everything. Automated driverless car, and then battery cars are coming into the world. There are a lot of technologies coming. So only when the engineers are in very good knowledge and when they have a very good knowledge, when they have a very good knowledge and expertise, definitely they can do something different in their field. So that is why this core training, as we are focusing on the latest technologies. For example, you have to focus on your technology like AngularJS, React.js, right? Ruby on Rails, there are training as there, Tableau, RTool. So like this, some of the training we can start from the third year itself. whatever the core training, because when you are coming to the fourth year or when you are coming to the third year, that time some changes in the technologies, some changes in the technical level. So accordingly we can go, right? So now we cannot decide anything on this, but we can go with the basic level training, like language training, and then soft skill training and aptitude training, and whatever your personality development training. So these things we can concentrate beginning, and parallelly we can concentrate your technical side also. At last, our aim, not only your aim, and our aim to place in a good company. So that is what our placement and training session. That is what the functions are going here. So I just explain all those things. So this is about our training and placement cell, and we have a team of people working for that, right? Our team will guide you from the first year itself. We'll also have a next different section on this, and we can plan accordingly. So now almost another 15 minutes is there. We can have a question section now. So far I have given idea. I hope you got understand. I also got idea from you. What is your expectations also? Can you ask questions? You can feel free to ask question, even Tamil, English, whatever languages, you can ask questions. Yes, students. Let us meet in another session also. Yes, you can ask questions.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Dhanush. Yes, Dhanush. Tell me.
Communication training start, sir.
When we?
Communication training when start, sir?
When we start?
Communication
training.
skills.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
First. Yes, very good. Yes. Our training plan, பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the training plan செகண்ட் செமஸ்டர்ல இருந்து போட்டிருக்கோம். Why we started from the second semester? The first semester வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you have to get into the department. You can mute. You can mute yourself. Yeah. You can mute, Dhanush. Yeah. So why, when we have to start communication training, is starting like telling like this. Communication training is starting with your regular academic schedule from the first year itself. Okay. So what am I thinking here? Whatever our plan is, from the second year itself, we can start doing training continuously. Why? Because second semester, not second year, second semester. The first semester the first semester itself will make you to comfortable on the subjects and comfortable in the department and in the college. So that is what the first semester will take for comfortability. How comfort you are sitting inside the college. So that is what the first semester we cannot. Coming to the college itself, we cannot ask you to do so many things. So first we let you come to the college and settle down and understand the department and what are the subjects are available. Because when you think engineering subjects, you have to concentrate more. So subject wise, you have to get into the subject. That's why they are conducting bridge courses, and then they are getting into the subjects. So subjects matters. First you get into the subject comfortably, then you will start parallelly the training. So from the second year itself, second semester itself, the training start with the communications. Another one, in your first semester itself, also will start with some of the language training. I mean English language, English communication, some of the basics course also will run with you. That is coming into the academic schedule. So that is also coming with you. So from the second semester we'll start, but now you should, in the first semester you should be very comfortable with your engineering. Right, any other question? Please feel free to ask questions in Tamil also. தமிழ்ல கேட்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது இப்போ சார் இது என்ன பண்ணலாம், ஏதாவது ஒரு ஐடியா வேணும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா கேட்கலாம். உனக்கு என்ன டவுட் இருக்கோ உனக்கு கேட்கலாம், ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை.
Sir, what are the differences between IT and CSE?
What is the difference between IT and CSE? Very good. Computer science and then information technologies, right? The computer science, see that there is one difference, applications. In the IT what you are studying additionally on top of computer science, you are studying about core concepts in the computer science related to your computers, the concepts of DBMS and the networking and the cloud computing. Like this you are studying in the computer science field. In the IT, what you are studying, some of the applications, whatever the going on the MNC in the top level companies, that kind of applications you are studying side. Nothing difference here. Both IT and CSE are concentrating on the core knowledge of the computers, Here, this computer science is going with some subjects like EC, that is electronics communication, something related to your core engineering. It will go. IT specifically go into the IT industry. There, what is the application? You will be studying some kind of additionally some applications level subjects you are studying, right? So that is only the difference. But both CS and IT, A&DS is getting into the same company. Even TCS, when you go to the TCS, there are different domains are available. A&DS படிச்சவங்க AI ல போய் work பண்ணலாம், artificial intelligence, machine learning domain ல போய் work பண்ணலாம். CS and IT படிச்சவங்க you can go to the software development, or you can go to the even AIDS படிச்சவங்க கூட software development ல work பண்ணலாம். So like this, opportunities depends on your knowledge only. வேற ஏதாவது questions இருக்கா? What subjects available in AIDS you are asking? Okay. AIDS is related to computer subjects only. Computer science syllabus இதுவும் பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு அடிஷ்னலாக ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் அண்ட் டேட்டா சயின்டிஸ்ட் ரிலேட்டடான சப்ஜெக்ட் ஒரு more than 7 சப்ஜெக்ட் அதில் வரும். ஸோ when you compare the syllabus, ஸோ நீங்கள் படிக்கும்போது என்ன பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா some of the core concepts related to software industry will be studying. On top of it, you will be studying this artificial intelligence related subjects. And அது ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் மட்டும் கிடையாது, அது ரிலேட்டடாக மெஷின் லேர்னிங் படிப்பீங்க. தென் யூ வில் பி ஸ்டடிங் டேட்டா சயின்டிஸ்ட், டேட்டா அனலிட்டிக்ஸ் related subject you will be studying in the AIDS. Any other questions? Thank you. Bhuvaneswari asked a good question. Thank you, Bhuvaneswari. Any other question?
Sir, agriculture subject.
Okay. Agriculture subjects. அக்ரி பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு சப்ஜெக்டில் இப்போ இரிகேஷன் ரிலேட்டடாக இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மெக்கானிக்கலாக ஒரு சில சப்ஜெக்ட் மெக்கானிக்கல்லேருந்து வரும், சிவில்லேருந்து சில சப்ஜெக்ட் படிப்பீங்க. அது ரிலேட்டடாக அது இல்லாமல் ஃபுட் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி, ஃபுட் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங், அந்த ஃபுட் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ரிலேட்டடான சப்ஜெக்ட், இரிகேஷன் ரிலேட்டடாக சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் வந்து படிப்பீங்க. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் இந்த அக்ரி படிக்கிறதுல ஒரு அட்வான்டேஜ் என்ன அப்படின்னா, உன்னுடைய வந்து இப்போ இந்த காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ், குரூப் 1 எழுதுகிற எக்ஸாம்லாம் உனக்கு சில சப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து இதில் படிக்கும்போது இப்போ எங்களுடைய அக்ரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ரீசெண்டாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணாங்க. அது சீனியர்ஸ் வந்து ஜூனியர்ஸ் இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது சொன்னாங்க, அவங்க சில பேர் ஐஎஃப்எஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க, அப்புறம் பேங்கிங் செக்டர் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க, ஐ மீன் ஐபிஎஸ்க்கு வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அவங்க சொல்லும்போது அக்ரியில் சில சப்ஜெக்ட் படிக்கும்போது நான் உங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் செக்ஷன் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி கொடுப்போம் அடுத்து வரும்போது, அவங்க உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் கிளியராக சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அக்ரியில் சில சப்ஜெக்ட் படிக்கும்போது அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் இன்ஜினியர் அக்ரி படிக்கும்போதே பேரலாக வந்து நீங்கள் அந்த சப்ஜெக்டோட சிலபஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு கரிக்குலம் ஐபிஎஸ் அந்த கரிக்குலம் எடுத்துகிட்டு நீங்கள் படிக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். ஸோ அதுக்கெலாம் நான் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான உங்களுக்கு வில் கண்டக்ட் த ப்ரோக்ராம், கெட் எக்ஸாக்ட்ஸ் திங்ஸ் அபவுட் தி காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ். ஸோ அக்ரி ஓகே. எனி அதர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ்? சார் அபவுட் கோடிங். கோடிங் வந்து பேசிக்கலி யா சொல்லுங்க. எஸ்,
நம்ம காலேஜ்ல இது இருக்காங்க சார், ஹேக்கிங் ப்ரோக்ராமிங்.
ஹேக்கிங், இப்போ ஹேக்கிங் ஏதாவது கோர்ஸ் நீங்கள் கற்றுருக்கீங்களா? ஹேக்கிங் வந்து
இல்ல
பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா?
சார், இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கானா இன்னும்.
ஓகே. ஹேக்கிங் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு ஹேக்கிங் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணலான்னு பிளான் பண்ணுறீங்க? அதாவது என்ன மாதிரி ஜாப் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி எதிர்பார்க்குறீங்க ஹேக்கிங் மூலமாக? வாட் இஸ் த குட் திங்ஸ் யூ கேன் டூ ஃபார் த கண்ட்ரி ஆர் அ சொசைட்டி? ஐடியா இருக்கா
சார்? கிரைம் செக்ஷன்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னு ஆசை சார்.
ஓகே, வெரி குட், வெரி குட். இப்போ லாட் ஆஃப் திங் லாட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ் ஆர் தேர் இன் சைபர் செக்யூரிட்டி சைடு. சைபர் செக்யூரிட்டி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேங்க் சாஃப்ட்வேரே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேங்கிங் செக்டரில் ஈவன் இந்த செக்யூரிட்டி சாஃப்ட்வேர்ஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுற இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது உனக்கு வந்து இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சைபர் செக்யூரிட்டி ரிலேட்டடான சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் வரும். அதாவது கிரிப்டோகிராஃபி, செக்யூரிட்டி செக்யூரிட்டி ரிலேட்டட் சாஃப்ட்வேர், அதாவது செக்யூரிட்டி லேப்னு ஒன்று வச்சுருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த லேப்லாம் கற்றுக்கிற போது என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, இந்த லேப்லேயே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்ன வந்து கிரிப்டோகிராஃபிக் அல்காரிதம்ஸ் இருக்குது, இந்த அல்காரிதம் எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது, இதை நீ எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து உன்னுடைய கரிக்குலம் வரதை அடிஷ்னலி வி கேன் கிவ் அ ட்ரைனிங். ஸோ அது நீ படிச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆன் டாப் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஹேக்கிங் வந்து இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு 10 பேர் 15 பேர் கேட்குறாங்கன்னா we'll approach the vendors and then we can conduct the training. But basic making the fundamentals like security related, encryption, decryption, cryptography related, all those things we will teach you in the college itself. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question, what are the benefits in biomedical, sir? Okay. ஈஸி படித்தாலும் ஐடி ஃபீல்டு போகலாமா சார்? எஸ், ஈஸி படித்தாலும் ஐடி ஃபீல்டு. ஈஸி படித்தா இன்ஜினியரிங், ஈஸியில் என்ன கோர் இன்ஜினியரிங் படிச்சியோ அதே ஐடிலே ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம். ஏன்னா உன்னுடைய ஐடி ஃபீல்டில் உன்னுடைய சாஃப்ட்வேர் டெவலப்மெண்ட் சைட்லேயே எம்படடும் ஒரு கோரில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அங்கே சாஃப்ட்வேரும் இன்வால்வ் ஆகுது, உன்னோட ஈஸியோ படித்த நாலேஜும் இன்வால்வ் ஆகும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இருக்குது. நான் பியூராக கோர்லேயே ஒர்க் பண்ணுவேன் சார், எனக்கு வந்து எம்படரில் பியூராக என்ன ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா அங்கே போய் ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ எல்லாமே வந்து உன்னுடைய இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் தான். இன்னொரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டால் பயோமெடிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங். இப்போ பயோமெடிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் வந்து இப்போ பூமிங்கில் இருக்குது. அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மெடிக்கல் ஃபீல்டு இப்போ வந்து இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் வந்து தேர் ஒர்க்கிங் இன் த மெடிக்கல். ஹவு, அதாவது என்னென்னா டூரிங் த கோவிட் இந்த பேண்டமிக் சுச்சுவேஷன் வந்து ஹவ் வி ஆர் ஸ்ட்ரகிள்டு அண்ட் தென் லாட் ஆஃப் வி ஃபேஸ்ட் ஸோ மச் ஆஃப் இஷ்யூஸ் அண்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். அதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மெடிக்கல் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் பண்ணும். ஸோ அதில் வந்து நீ என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா இந்த மெடிக்கல் சைட்லேயே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டுமே இருக்குது. ஒன்று வந்து மெடிக்கல் ஆஸ்பெக்ட்ஸில் சில, அதாவது இந்த மெடிசின் ஆஸ்பெக்டில் யூ கேன் ஒர்க் அவுட். அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூ கேன் ஃபைண்ட் சம்திங் நியூ திங்ஸ் ஆன் தி மெடிக்கல் ஃபீல்ட், ஹவு யூஸிங் தி இன்ஜினியரிங். அதே சமயம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த கோடிங் பார்ட்டு கூட இன்வால்வ் ஆகுது அங்கே. மெடிக்கல் எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது there are some IoTs related, there are some knowledge. If you have biomedical side now, you can use that knowledge and you can do some innovation, some IoT products. ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து நீ இன்வென்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ மெயின்லி இந்த மெடிக்கல் சைடு. ஸோ இந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் உள்ளே வரும்போது வில் பிரிங் யூ த எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃப்ரம் த இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. இப்போ நான் வந்து அந்த ஃபீல்டு எக்ஸ்பர்ட் கிடையாது. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னா இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் அந்த பயோமெடிக்கல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி நிறையா இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் போய் நான் அப்ரோச் பண்ணி வில் பிரிங் யூ த எக்ஸ்பர்ட் டு யூ. அவங்க வந்து உனக்கு வந்து லெக்சர்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து உங்கள் மெடிக்கல் ஃபீல்டில் போயிட்டுருக்கு, நீ வந்து எப்படி ரெடி ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அதில் நம்ம வந்து காலேஜுக்கு வந்து சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுவோம் கண்டிப்பாக. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, வாட் ஆர் தி சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ், வாட் ஆர் த சப்ஜெக்ட் இன் ஐடி, வாட் ஆர் த சப்ஜெக்ட் இன் ஐடி சார்? நீ நெட்டில் போட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்துடும் எல்லா சப்ஜெக்டும். ஆனால் சிலபஸ்
சார்,
ஓகே, அது வந்து நம்ம இதில் கேட்கலாம். யா
சார்,
யா
sir, I'm studying AIDS. Can I get training in IT, sir?
டெஃபினெட்லி. ஏஐடிஎஸ் வந்து ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் டேட்டா சயின்ஸ் வந்து மெயின்லி வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஏஐடிஎஸ், சிஎஸ் எல்லாத்துக்குமே வந்து கோர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கம்ப்யூட்டர் தான். நம்ம கம்ப்யூட்டரில் இருந்து தான் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன். ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் என்ன அப்படின்னா நீ கோர் இன்ஜினியரிங், கோர் கம்ப்யூட்டரில் நீ இன்ஜினியரிங் முடிச்சு அந்த கோர் படிச்சுட்டு அதில் ஒரு ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் என்ன படிக்கிற அப்படின்னா ஏஐடிஎஸ். அப்போ நீ வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா ஐடிக்குள்ளேயும் நீ ஜாப்புக்குள்ளே போகலாம், உன்னோட ஏஐடிஎஸ் டொமைன் எக்ஸாக்ட்லி அந்த டொமைனுக்குள்ளேயும் போகலாம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ். ஆனால் 3 பேருமே இப்போ டிசிஎஸ் ஒரு கம்பெனி வருது அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் 3 பேருமே எலிஜிபிள். நீங்கள் மட்டும் இல்லை, ஈசியுமே எலிஜிபிள். யாரில் எலிஜிபிள் இல்லை அப்படின்னா அது வந்து இப்போ நான் சர்க்யூட் பிரான்ச்சஸ் வந்து நாட் எலிஜிபிள். சர்க்யூட் பிரான்ச்சஸ் எல்லாமே எலிஜிபிள். ஓகே, ஆல்மோஸ்ட் வி ஆர் எண்ட் ஆஃப் தி செஷன். ஸோ ஐ வில் சம்மரைஸ் த செஷன் so far. What we discussed initially, we started with the introduction and we started with goals. What is your goal after engineering? And we discussed engineering options, what is available and what we are concentrating mainly on 4 areas we discussed, right? And placement training cell. There what is the functionalities, what the functions are going here, and what we discussed here, and facilities what is available we discussed. And then I shared with you this Sri Sanmuga recruiters since 2015, because 2015 the first batch went out. So I share with you statistics, then what we discussed, and then the training plan. So what is already in the plan, semester wise what is there, that I discussed with you. At last we had a discussion like this. So this is about the pain. This is a starting session only. As discussed with the principal and management, we can have a different session on the for the placement and training side. So thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask me so that after that we can wind up. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I am studying in ECE department. Can I attend the campus interview at other departments like biomedical engineering or AIDS?
Yeah, biomedical you can attend. Because see, அதான் சொன்னேன், ஒரு கம்பெனி வருது அப்படின்னு கம்பெனி எடுத்து நீ வெப்சைட்ஸ் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி பாரு, டிசிஎஸோ இன்ஃபோசிஸோ பிர்லா சாஃப்ட்டோ இல்லை ஏதோ பயோமெடிக்கல் ஒரு கம்பெனிஸ் ஏதோ ஓப்பன் பண்ணி பாருங்க. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா இன்ஜினியர்ஸுமே கேட்டிருப்பாங்க. ஏன்னா இது இன்டகிரேட்டட் ஒர்க்கு. இன்டகிரேட்டட் என்ன தெரியுமா? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் யூ டேக் இட் தி ஏடி மிஷின், ஒரு ஃபெமிலியரான எக்ஸாம் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஏடி மிஷினே எடுத்துக்கோ. ஏடி மிஷினில் வரக்கூடிய சர்க்யூட்ஸஸ் எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஈஸி இன்ஜினியர் ரெடி பண்ணுறாரு. நீ கம்ப்யூட்டரே எடுத்துக்கோ, கம்ப்யூட்டரில் மதர் போட போய் பாரு, மதரில் இருக்கக்கூடிய சர்க்யூட்ஸஸ்லாம் படிக்கிறது வந்து ஈஸி இன்ஜினியர். ஸோ அவனுக்கு தெரியும் சர்க்யூட்ஸில் என்ன ஒர்க் இருக்குது, எது வந்து மெயினாக வந்து சர்க்யூட்ஸில் நம்ம கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுறோம், எப்படி சிப்பு மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் பண்ணுறாங்கிற ஐடியா வந்து கோர் இன்ஜினியருக்கு இருக்கும். அதோட ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ணுறது வந்து சிஎஸ்சி இருப்பாங்க. இவங்க ரெண்டு பார்ட்டுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு கம்பெனியில் ஒர்க்காக தான் போயிட்டுருக்கும். ஒரு கோர் இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் வந்து அவங்க மைண்ட்லி கான்சன்ட்ரேட் நாலேஜ், கோர் நாலேஜ் வச்சு அவங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணுவாங்க. கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து அந்த ஐடி நாலேஜ் வச்சு ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. பட் கோர் இன்ஜினியர் அந்த ஈஸி படித்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு கோடிங்கும் சொல்லிக் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவனுக்கு கோர் நாலேஜ் இருக்கனால வில் பி ஒர்க்கிங் அண்ட் தி கோடிங் சைட் ஆல்சோ. அதனால எந்த ஒரு கம்பெனி எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் அந்த கம்பெனியில் வந்து ஒரு மோர் தென் 5 டொமைன்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த டொமைனில் ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது எல்லா இன்ஜினியர்ஸுமே எடுப்பாங்க. இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் யார் எடுக்க மாட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா, இப்போ சிவில் முடித்தவங்க வந்து சிவில் வந்து சம்டைம் மெக்கானிக்கல் சைடில் போவாங்க, இல்லைன்னா அவங்களோட இதில் போவாங்க. சாஃப்ட்வேர் இன்ஜினியரிங், சாஃப்ட்வேர் சைடு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தாங்கன்னா சாஃப்ட்வேர் வருவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்க யாராக இருந்தாலும் சாஃப்ட்வேரில் ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம். எந்த இன்ஜினியராக இருந்தாலும் சரி. சம்டைம் இன்னும் அக்ரி ஆல்சோ கேட்குறாங்க, ஒரு சில கம்பெனியில் அக்ரி கேட்குறது இல்லை. யாராக இருந்தாலும் சரி அவங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா சாஃப்ட்வேரில் ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம். அங்கே வந்து பை சான்ஸ் அவங்க வந்து அந்த டொமைன் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாக்டான டொமைன் அமைஞ்சிருச்சுன்னா அவங்களுடைய கோர் இன்ஜினியரிங் நாலேஜ் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். சேம் டைம் சாஃப்ட்வேர் நாலேஜையும் அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் இருக்கு.
தேங்க்யூ.
ஓகே, ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. Thank you, your nice response, and then very good opportunities for me also to interact with you, and we'll meet you again with some different session. Until you can know, you can plan accordingly. You can. What is your first task? What I am assigning you? இப்போ நிறைய பேர் கோல் சொன்னீங்களா, கோடிங் சொன்னீங்க, ஏஐ சொன்னீங்க, நிறைய பேர் சொன்னீங்க. அதை பற்றி உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சவங்க நியர்பைல யாராவது இருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்க. இப்போ நான் கோடிங் சைடு போகிறேன் அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக ஒருத்தர் இருப்பாங்க. உங்க வில்லேஜ்லேயே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யாராவது ஒருத்தர் பிளேஸ் ஆயிருப்பாங்க, ஏதாவது ஒரு கம்பெனியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. அவங்க கூட ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ரொம்ப போய் டெப்த்தெல்லாம் வந்து கேட்க வேணாம். ஆனால் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, கோடிங் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க, என்ன படிச்சிங்க, என்ன லாங்குவேஜஸ் படிச்சிங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. எந்த ஃபீல்டில் நீ ஆகணும்னு நினைக்கிறியோ அந்த ஃபீல்டில் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பர்ட்டை கண்டுபிடிங்க. அவங்க எப்படி இருந்தாங்கன்னு கேளுங்க. அதே மாதிரி நீங்களும் பண்ணுங்க. இன்னொன்று மெயின் ஒரு டார்கெட் என்ன அப்படின்னு எல்லாரும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிற ஒரே விஷயம் என்னன்னா செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங். அதாவது செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங்னா என்ன அப்படின்னா, எனக்கு தேவையானதை நானே படிக்கிறது. இப்போ நீ கம்பெனிலலாம் போயிட்டீங்கன்னா ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம் நீ மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயரில் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது நல்லது. ஏன்னா இப்போ இது வரைக்கும் சோஃபார் அவர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ், சோஃபார் அவருடைய அலுமினைஸோடைய இன்புட்ஸ் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா, ஒரு கம்பெனிக்கு உள்ளே போயிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அவங்க வந்து இந்த டொமைன் தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. எம்படட், ஏஐ, டேட்டா சயின்டிஸ்ட், சம் ஆஃப் த மாடல் டொமைன் தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த டொமைனில் வரக்கூடிய சாஃப்ட்வேர்ஸ் எல்லாமே கொடுத்துருவாங்க. அதை நீ ஸ்டடி பண்ணி பண்ணணும். நீனா செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் பண்ணணும். அந்த செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் பண்ணுறதுக்கான எபிலிட்டிஸ், அதுக்கான நாலேஜ் எப்படி வரும் அப்படின்னா, நீ படிக்கிற இன்ஜினியரிங் சப்ஜெக்டோட கோர் நாலேஜ் தான் உனக்கு வந்து அதை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணும். இந்த லேட்டஸ்ட் டெக்னாலஜி நீ இமீடியட்டாக புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா, இப்போ ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம் மொபைலையும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறேன், லேப்டாப்லையும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறேன். அந்த ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம் சப்ஜெக்ட் உனக்கு இருக்குது. அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் படித்தா தான் அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் என்ன, அந்த ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம் எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகும் ஒரு ஐடியா வந்துட்டு இருக்கும். அப்போ கம்பெனிக்குள்ள போகும்போது நீ செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் பண்ண முடியும். எப்பவுமே பாரு, யாராவது வந்து ஃபீட் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு யோசிக்கக்கூடாது. நம்மளே படிக்கணும். செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சப்ஜெக்ட் போயிட்டு இருக்கோம், அது ரிலேட்டடாக நம்ம தான் செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் பண்ணணும். செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் ஆல்வேஸ் வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ டு சர்வே இன் த வேர்ல்ட். ஸோ கீப் ஆல்வேஸ் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட், செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் இஸ் அ வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஒன். நமக்கு லாட் ஆஃப் ஆன்லைன் கோர்சஸ் ஆர் அவைலபிள், லாட் ஆஃப் யூடியூப் சேனல்ஸ் ஆர் அவைலபிள், எல்லாமே அவைலபிள். ஸோ அதை நம்ம கோத்ரூ பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா யூ வில் கெட் அ ப்ராப்பர் நாலேஜ். தட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஈவன் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி பீப்புள் யாரை வேணாலும் மீட் பண்ணுங்க, எவ்ரிபடி இஸ் டூயிங் செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங். இப்போ அவங்க டொமைனில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. இப்போ வந்து நான் டேட்டா சயின்டிஸ்டாக ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா அதிலே ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் வந்திருக்கு, டேப்லூன்னு வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா டேப்லூ நான் யா பரமேஸ்வரன் சொல்லுங்க.
பரமேஸ்வரன் பிரசன்ட் சார்.
ஓகே 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 பரமேஸ்வரன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வாட் யூ ஹேவ் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஸோ அதனால செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் பண்ணுங்க. So that is what my advice. So thank you for the opportunities. We'll meet in next section. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank 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 you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. எத்தனை தடவை சொல்லுவ